Hello, in this video, we will evaluate the integral of 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x dx. We will approach this problem by simplifying tan x in terms of sin x and cos x. And then we will use the formula that integral of a derivative divided by the function dx equals log base e modulus of function plus c. So let's get started. The given integral can be written as 1 minus sin x over cos x divided by 1 plus sin x over cos x dx, because tan x is equals sin x over cos x. Simplifying further, we will get cos x minus sin x divided by cos x divided by cos x plus sin x divided by cos x dx. By taking LCM in the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel out cos x. So we are left with cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x dx. Now, if you observe carefully the denominator and the numerator here, we will find a relation, which is that we know that the derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So we can write the given integral as cos x plus sin x derivative divided by cos x plus sin x dx. Now, by applying the formula that we discussed earlier, we get log of the denominator, which is cos x plus sin x modulus plus c. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.